This is an Alberta emergency alert. Calgary Police Service has updated the Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. An Amber Alert has been issued for the abduction of a 5-year-old male from South West Calgary June 30th. Nathan O'Brien is a white male, 3 feet tall, curly blonde hair, brown eyes. Last seen wearing peach-colored shorts and a blue striped hoodie. Nathan may be in the company of his grandfather Alvin Liknes, a white male, 6 feet tall, 200 pounds with gray and blonde hair, black shorts. Alvin has a distinctive walk. His grandmother Kathryn Liknes is described as 5 foot 3 inches tall, 120 pounds with red and brown hair and green eyes. The child was last seen in the area of MacLeod Trail in South West Calgary. Anyone with information regarding the child is asked to call Calgary Police at 40353262337. The Calgary Police Service continues to investigate the suspicious disappearance of 3 people and are seeking the public's help for any information. Investigators are asking anyone who attended an estate sale at the residence in the 100 block of 38A Avenue Southwest over the weekend, June 28 to 29, 2014, to come to the Park Hill Community Center tomorrow, Thursday, July 3, 2014. Investigators will be on hand between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. to speak to anyone who attended the sale. Investigators are asking anyone who purchased an item at the sale to please bring a photo of that item to the community hall meeting. This will aid the investigation to determine what items were purchased during the sale, compared to what items remain in the home. The Park Hill Stanley Park Community Hall is located at 4013 Stanley Road Southwest. Investigators are also able to clarify that 5-year-old Nathan O'Brien has brown eyes, not blue as earlier reported. Nathan's mom and his younger sibling had been at the residence assisting with the estate sale Sunday afternoon. Nathan's mom left the residence with her youngest child around 10 p.m., leaving Nathan to have a sleepover with his grandparents. Additional photos of Alvin and Kathryn Liknes can be found on the City of Calgary newsroom. www.newsroom.calgary.ca/news/update-2 -missing-persons-investigation. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the police if you have any information. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.